Sorry, I just hit record now. Go ahead and check your answers on the first one. Remember, the first number goes left and right. That's your x coordinate. And the second number is up and down. So left is negative and down is negative.
For all of the ones I did, they were all opposite.
Then you did y first and then x.
Yes.
All right, create an xy table for each problem. Tell the function in the following form. Just a refresher. This one is your slope. And this one is your y-intercept. That's why it's called slope-intercept form. So I should be able to give you the equation right now by looking at it, but it wants me to complete the table. So somebody give me a point that is for sure on that line.
7. Wait, 1, 7.
That is not on the line.
That one, right there. That. No. No, not that.
You
Wait,
said
hold
1,
on.
7. That's not on the
I
line.
didn't mean to say that. My bad.
2, 7.
What? Don't look at me like that.
2, 7 is not on the line.
My bad.
Remember, tell me a point on that line.
3,
2,
1,
6.
3.
1, 3 is.
What about 2, 6? 2, 6.
2, 6 is as well. How about 0, 0?
Yes.
Need one more.
-1, -3.
Very good. All right, now write the equation.
Oh, no.
What's our slope? How do I get from one point to the other of the points you just gave me?
1 over and
Remember, it's rise over run. That's up and down over left and right. So how far up and down?
1 over and then 3 up and down.
Okay, so remember, it's rise first. So this one first. Stop saying 1.
I mean 3 up and then 1 over.
3, 1. 3, 1. 3, 1. So rise over run is 3 over 1. I'm just going to call it 3. Remember, we know it's a positive slope because it's going uphill. And what is my y-intercept? Where does it cross this line? Crosses it at 0. So you can put plus 0. Since it's 0, though, you don't really need it. But either one would be fine. All right, number 2. Same thing. Give me some points.
-6 and then +6.
-6, +6 is on the line. Another point, anybody?
-0,
-5, +5. I heard somebody say 0, 0.
Okay.
Negative
-1,
+2.
+2.
-1, +1. Perfect. Now, what do I know about my slope?
That they're all... Wait, which way is the slope? Wait, this x is slope, right?
Okay,
Wait,
so
hold on.
a slope is when it's going on this
Angle,
way
yep.
or this way.
So it's a positive or negative?
Negative.
It's going to be a negative slope. I know that because my line is going downhill. I also know that because I go down 1 to the right 1. Down 1 to the right 1. Down 1 to the right 1. That's my slope. So down 1 to the right 1. And again, I can just call that negative x. I don't need the 1s. What's my y-intercept? Where does it cross my y-axis?
0.
So again, I can put +0, or I don't even need it. Because adding 0 to anything, of course, doesn't change your answer. All right, next set, we're going to do one of these together. And then I'm going to have you try the other 3.
Oh,
So Gabe, pick one that looks the most confusing.
3.
Number 3. So we're going to do this one together. What is my slope? So find 2 points that are on the line for sure. And how do I get from one dot to the other? Remember, up and down first.
Up 1 and to the right 2.
Up 1 to the right 2, so my slope is 1/2. It is a positive because my line is going uphill. My y-intercept, again, that just means where does it cross this line?
Hmm.
Six. Oh, -6.
-6. So my equation is y equals, what's my slope? 1/2. What's my y-intercept? -6.
6.
So once you have those two numbers, it's pretty easy to write the equation. Slope goes in front of the x, y-intercept goes at the end. Okay, go ahead and try the last 3. I'll give you a few minutes.
What? You just did it.
That's smart Dave.
Should be close. I'm guessing either got them all or you're stuck because they are all the same. Who wants to take the slope of the first one?
Me.
Okay.
3 over 1.
Up 3 over 1, I agree. You can just write 3 there. Don't need 3 over 1. If you have 1/3, you did it backwards again. Y-intercept, where does it cross this line, Gabe?
0.
0. So my equation is 3x. Again, you can have the plus 0. It is not required. There's your equation. Question 2. Somebody other than Gabe.
Me.
All right. Go ahead, Ronnie. What's the slope? Say that again. Down 2, right 1. -2 is correct. Y-intercept? 0. Crosses that line at 0. So my equation is -2x. Again, not required to have the plus 0, but you can. 4.
Me.
Okay.
2.
No.
Is it
4.
negative
Did you
2?
even? I meant 4.
Oh.
Nope.
I meant 3.
Nope.
6.
Wait, I don't.
It is -2.
I said that.
I never heard you.
I said that.
No, you said 2.
No,
heard
I
positive
said
two.
-2.
Down 2, right 1. That's negative. Again, you should look at the line, see it going downhill. You know it's negative. Y-intercept?
Not 0.
Not 0.
Not 0.
4.
Where does it cross this line? 4. So your equation is y equals -2x plus 4. Again, that is called slope intercept form.
Where's my flower table?
Okay, homework for today should be pretty self-explanatory with what we did today. If it says make a table, please do that. That is like what we did here. If it says write an equation, feel free to do that as well. You might need to plot some points to help you write the equation. And then the rest is just like we did today. So last assignment of the year.